Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about this important for you if you want to create code Python in your language. Let's get started. Keywords, namespaces and scope. In Python, not all names are equal. Some names are reserved by the system and are already defined. Examples are things like def. If you want to use the function, you can use this keyword def. Print. If you want to show your result on your screen, you can use this keyword print. If you want to in conditional logic, you can use this if. Else it is similar with if, while, for, in, and or not return. Return if you want to get value on your calculation, and then you can use this keyword return, and then you can save your data on your system return. But if you don't or you didn't use this return, so you will not get the value or your value is known. So it is important for you. Keyword return. These names are built-in keywords. Names that are defined in a function are local to that function. Names that are defined outside of a function are global to the module. Okay, if you want to create names inside of the function, it is local. But if you want to give name out of the function, it is a global. Local names overshadow global names when inside the function that defines them. If you want to access a global variable from inside a function, you should declare it global. If you want to access a global function from your inside, so you have to declare it global inside of your function. Global versus local example. Okay, in here you see my variable equal 7 and my prime equal 20, and this name is function. You use this keyword def and and your variable or parameter in here. My variable equal 20. Print. If you want to know your result, you have to use this keyword print. My prom parenthesis my prom function. In here you see argument 5. Okay, like this 5. If you see in here my parameter, it means you can insert any kind of value, or we can call it a dynamic value maybe, and then you can change this value in any time. But for this argument, this value is static. You cannot change this value 5. Okay, you have to remember, if inside of this parenthesis my param, it means parameter, this value is dynamic. But for this 5 is a static value. This is a argument. Okay, and if you want to know your result, you write keyword print my variable. Okay, what the result of this? If you create code like this, what gets printed? Okay, if you print this code, so you will get value 5 and 7. Why the value 5 and 7? Okay, I will explain you the reason why you will get value 5 and 7. Okay, for line 1 and 2, my variable, you can see in here, this is a global variable with the value is 7. It is same. My param is a global variable with value is 20. And for line 4, okay, if I write here, this is line 1, line 2, line 3, and in here line 4, def func1 my param, this is the function syntax. Okay, def as keyword, and this func1 is name of function, and in here this parameter, and in the end of the syntax use colon. Func1 has a local parameter. This value parameter will receive from argument while the function is called. Okay, I will repeat again. This value of parameter will receive from argument while the function is called. Okay, for line 5, my variable equal 20. It defined in the function. Okay, it define the inside of function. For this function name this func1. This variable didn't get impact from the outside variable. Okay, didn't get impact from this outside of variable. If you see in here name same my variable, but this my variable didn't get impact from outside of variable. Next, for line 6, print parenthesis my param. My param in here okay, I will repeat again. This print my param, this value my param, it is from the argument while the function is called. Okay, print my param, it will receive value from here my param. Okay, and from here move to here my param. Okay, next for line H, func 5. It will be called with argument value is 5. This value 5 as argument, and the value is a static value. You cannot change for this value. If you see in the before 5 as a my param value, because the name function is same. Okay, don't see here, don't see here my param equal 20, not from here, because this parameter is a local, except if you give global value inside of this, so you will take value from outside, because this is a local parameter, so the value of my param is 5. Next, go to the line 9, print my variable. If you see in here, there is no local variable, so you will get this value from outside. The value of my variable is 7. Okay, so the result of this code, you will get value 5 and 7. I hope you understand what I am explaining you about this. How did you get value 5 and 7? So I will summarize about this code, and you have to understand about the local variable, global variable, and local parameter. If you see in here, my param and my variable in the name function func1 is a local variable, and this value just for this function. If you see for global variable number 7, this is a variable global, and always 7 value, because there is no declaration from inside. But for local parameter, this value is from 5 from this argument and didn't get impact from outside this my param 20. No, there is no impact from outside. I think enough for this explanation for this learning about the global versus local. You have to understand the difference between local and global. Local for parameter or local for variable. If you have any question about this, you can comment on below in this video. Thank you so much for your watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video. See you next time and goodbye.